Welcome back to Pleopod, the podcast where we unpack the biggest stories in tech. Today, we're diving deep into a monumental announcement from AMD. Maya, they're putting over $10 billion into Taiwan's semiconductor ecosystem. That's a serious chunk of change. What's the headline here?
Absolutely, Armin. The headline is acceleration, accelerating AI infrastructure development and manufacturing. AMD has committed over $10 billion to invest in Taiwan's ecosystem. This isn't just about building more chips. It's heavily focused on scaling up advanced packaging technologies. Think of things like 2.5D wafer-based interconnects, which are crucial for making AI hardware more powerful and efficient.
Advanced packaging. For our listeners who might not be deep in the silicon weeds, can you explain why that's so critical for AI?
That makes a lot of sense. So it's about optimizing the physical connections to boost performance. And this investment is tied to specific new hardware, right? I heard something about their new EPYC CPUs.
You are absolutely right. Concurrent with this massive investment announcement, AMD has also confirmed they've begun the production ramp of their 6th Gen EPYC CPUs, codenamed Venice, on TSMC's 2-nanometer process technology in Taiwan. This is a huge milestone. Venice is apparently the first high-performance computing product to reach this production stage on TSMC's 2-nanometer node.
Wow, 2 nanometers. That's cutting edge. And it's happening in Taiwan. Does AMD plan to keep all that production there, or is there a plan for diversification?
That's a great question. While the initial ramp for Venice is happening at TSMC's facility in Taiwan, AMD does have plans for future production of these chips at TSMC's Arizona fabrication facility. It's a strategy that leverages the strengths of different locations.
Interesting. So they're building on existing strengths in Taiwan, while also looking ahead to future manufacturing capabilities in the U.S. This $10 billion investment, is it just with TSMC, or are they working with a broader set of partners in Taiwan?
It's a broader ecosystem play. AMD is deepening partnerships with multiple Taiwanese firms. The announcement specifically mentions collaborators like ASE, SPIL, PTI, Unimicron, Sanmina, WeWin, Wistron, and Inventec. These are all key players in the semiconductor supply chain, involved in assembly, testing, and manufacturing of components and systems.
That list reads like a who's who of Taiwan's tech manufacturing powerhouses. And what kind of AI infrastructure are they building with all this? Is there a specific platform in focus?
Yes, there is. AMD is developing what they call the Helios rack-scale AI platform. This platform is designed to be pretty powerful, utilizing these new Venice CPUs alongside their Instinct MI450X GPUs. The target is large-scale deployments, specifically aiming for multi-gigawatt deployments starting in the second half of 2026. That's a massive scale.
Multi-gigawatt deployments. That sounds like it's aimed at hyperscalers and massive data center operators. And this investment builds on prior work, doesn't it? I recall AMD having R&D presence there before.
It does. This isn't AMD's first foray into Taiwan. They previously established R&D centers in Tainan and Kaohsiung, focusing specifically on areas like AI and silicon photonics. So this $10 billion investment is an expansion and deepening of a relationship that's been building for a while.
It really highlights Taiwan's critical role in the global semiconductor landscape, especially for advanced manufacturing and AI. So to recap, AMD is investing over $10 billion in Taiwan to boost AI infrastructure, focusing on advanced packaging like 2.5D interconnects. They're ramping production of their next-gen Venice EPYC CPUs on TSMC's 2-nanometer process there, and they have this ambitious Helios AI platform in the works, all while collaborating with a wide array of Taiwanese partners.
Exactly. It's a strategic move to secure their position in the AI race, leveraging Taiwan's manufacturing prowess and TSMC's leading-edge process technology to deliver the high-performance, efficient compute hardware that the AI revolution demands.
A truly significant development. Thanks for breaking that all down for us, Maya.
My pleasure, Arman. It's exciting stuff.
And that wraps up another episode of Pleopod. Join us next time as we explore another fascinating corner of the tech world. Until then, stay curious.